A legendary name. A stunning reimagining. The Renault Clio V6 is back, but this time, it's not just about looks. It's about performance, innovation, and sheer driving pleasure. But can this new Clio live up to its iconic predecessor? Let's dive in. Welcome back to Revamp Cars, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Revamp family. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Renault Clio V6 2025, a car that's turning heads and sparking excitement all over the world. But with all the hype, does it truly live up to the legacy? Let's find out. The Renault Clio V6 has always been a car with a history of breaking boundaries, small, compact, but packing a punch under the hood. The challenge for Renault with the 2025 version: how do you revive an icon while pushing the envelope for the future? Can they capture the same spirit of the original V6 while updating it for the modern era? That's the big question. Under the hood, the 2025 Clio V6 is no slouch. Gone are the days of a small 3.0L V6 tucked in the rear. This new Clio comes with a turbocharged 2.8L V6 engine, delivering more power, better handling, and an overall smoother ride. With 400 horsepower, it promises to push the limits in a way its predecessor could only dream of. But it's not just about speed, it's about refinement. Inside, Renault has given the Clio V6 a complete makeover. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's packed with the latest tech. From a full digital cockpit to an upgraded infotainment system, this car isn't just a powerhouse, it's an everyday driver's dream. And when it comes to handling, this little beast sticks to the road like glue, thanks to its improved suspension, advanced aerodynamics, and a low center of gravity. Whether you're carving through tight corners or hitting the open highway, the 2025 Clio V6 delivers. But here's the real clincher. The Renault Clio V6 2025 doesn't just stop at performance or technology, it redefines the driving experience. It's fast, it's fierce, and it's built to thrill. A 0 to 60 time of just 4.5 seconds, that's some serious sports car territory. This is the moment that truly sets the 2025 Clio V6 apart from anything else in its class. So, after all the twists, turns, and tech, what's the final verdict on the 2025 Renault Clio V6? It's a bold step forward for Renault, keeping the spirit of the original Clio V6 alive while embracing the future of performance and design. If you're looking for a compact car that's as exhilarating to drive as it is to look at, this might just be the perfect ride. What do you think of the new Clio V6? Is it a worthy successor to the original, or did Renault miss the mark? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest car reviews, news, and more right here at Revamp Cars. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your engines running.